Now I'll show you how to take it apart. Now, on every spider, take it off. This is the bolt. The main part of the gun. Now the part that shoots out is a spacer. It's important. Spring shoots out the gun. Velocity adjuster, I believe. It's nice. You do not want to lose this little piece. Goes in here. Just like so. You don't want to lose it. Unless I forgot what that is. And of course you have the secure pin. And the barrel. When you know that your barrel is clean, when you can see straight down it and there are no little smudges, anything. So, how it should look. Don't mind that, that's a phone. How it should look when you take it apart. Those parts should be able to look straight through. I mean, my feed neck is stuck on, but that's great. So next what you want to do is put it back together after you probably wiped everything down. This part fits into that hole. So, and then should click just a little. Fit it in your gun. Now, this is the key. Push it down until you can't push it down any further. Take your gun off of safety. Push and shoot. Hold on. Push as hard as you can. Shoot again. Until cock is as far as it can go forward. Put your gun back on safety. And then put the spacer on top of the spring. This is a trick, it's a quick trick, so you may not follow it, you may. And so it should look just about like, should look just like that. Hole right here. Slide it in. To feel around for a little. Just for the perfect position. Should spring back out when it's in the perfect position, you know, like that. And then comes the all-important velocity adjusters. Be careful with this. Now, hold the velocity adjuster up like this. There's going to be a little niche going across. You want that facing up. Facing up. So, just slide it in so it's up so you don't lose a little metal plate. And then push up until you get a full circle. That full circle indicates you are good. And stick the safety pin right through. On the other side, there'll be a little hole for the cotter pin. You stick the cotter pin right through that little hole, if I can do it one-handed. I can't. It's great. Stick it through. Shouldn't take any effort. And of course, everybody knows that the barrel shouldn't be on unless you're playing. So, when you're gonna play, a little hole in there. Wrong end. Hole in there. Screw to the left. As far as you can. There we go. Take the gun off of safety. Cock it. That's how you know it works. Thanks for watching. It's Spyder Xtra. I'll do another video on the review of the Spyder Xtra. Bye.